Hi guys, in this video, you will learn what support and resistance is and how to identify them. Now, one of the most important skills that a trader should acquire is identifying a good level of support and resistance. Kasi usually, dito tayo magte-take ng trades. So, this video is a part of my price action masterclass that you can take for free at the end of this video. So, with that, let's start. Alright, so third part ng price action masterclass is support and resistance. So after identifying the market condition, market phase, ang next na kailangan natin ma-identify is support and resistance. So ito yung mga levels na kung saan possible magkaroon ng reaction sa market. Alright, so ano ba yung definition ng support and resistance? So support and resistance is one of the most widely used concepts in trading, and it is also the most basic principle in technical analysis. Support will tend to act as a floor for price action, and resistance naman will tend to act as a roof for price action. So support once broken becomes resistance, and resistance once broken becomes support. So ano bang itsura ng support and resistance? So again, resistance para siyang roof, okay? And then support parang floor. So yung resistance, makikita natin to lagi above price, and then yung support naman below price. Alright? So ganito yung itsura niya. So whenever the price reach a certain resistance level, we can expect na magkakaroon ng reaction. Okay? Ganun din sa support. Now, hindi 100% na magkakaroon ng reaction, but we can expect na magkakaroon ng reaction, no? Malaki yung chance. Alright? So, let's have an example sa chart. Alright, so as you can see, medyo nasa sideways market tayo, but nasan ba yung support and resistance natin dito? So resistance, nasa taas ng price. So as you can see, every time na pupunta yung price dito sa level na to, nagkakaroon ng reaction. Okay? So ni-reject yung price, bumaba. Binalikan ulit, ni-reject yung price, bumaba. Binalikan ulit, ni-reject yung price, bumaba ulit, then bumaba ulit. Alright? So ganun din sa support. Every time na babalikan ng price itong level na to, nagkakaroon ng rejection. So ito yung levels na kailangan nating ma-identify no after market condition and market phase. Let's talk about support. Support is a price level where the market has difficulty dipping below it because demand is sufficiently high at that level. So support level are always on or above the current price. So let's say for example, andito yung price right now. So yung support natin kailangan laging below price. Okay? So whenever price reaches a certain support level, pwede tayong mag-expect ng reaction. No? Pwede natin i-expect na magkakaroon siya ng rejection at that price level. Okay? So let's have an example. So gold 4-hour time frame. So as you can see from the left side of our chart, meron tayong decline, right? And then nagkaroon ng rejection dito sa level na to, nag-bounce, and then the second time, nag-bounce ulit. So dito sa certain level na to, okay, meron tayong rejection. So etong level na to, support siya. Okay? Support siya sa price. So kung babalik ulit yung price dito sa level na to, since may reaction before, pwede tayong mag-expect na malaki yung chance na magkaroon ulit ng rejection dito. Alright? Another example, so GBP USD daily time frame. So meron tayong decline and then nagkaroon tayo ng rejection dito sa level na to. Alright? So ito yung first rejection, nag-bounce, and then binalikan ulit niya. Alright? Nagkaroon ulit tayo ng rejection. So hindi hinahayaan ng mga bulls or ng mga buyers na mag-trade beyond this level. So ang nangyari, pinush nila yung price higher and most probably nag-iba yung trend, right? Nagkaroon ng trend change from downtrend to uptrend. Okay, so ito yung support level natin kasi meron tayong very clear price rejection. Right? Another example. Crude oil 4-hour time frame. So support level, right? Meron tayong multiple rejection. So galing tayo ng decline And then nagkaroon tayo ng rally to the upside, most probably higher high, right? And then nagkaroon tayo ng higher low. Yung higher low natin, nag-establish siya dito sa level na to. Now, as you can see, ito yung first touch niya. And then nag-rally, binalikan niya the second time, nag-hold pa rin yung level. And then nag-rally ulit. Binalikan niya ulit the third time, pero hindi pa rin nag-succeed. Okay, hindi pa rin siya nag-succeed mag-trade beyond this support level and then nag-rally ulit to the upside. So itong level na to is a very clear support level. Okay? Resistance. Resistance is a price level where the market has difficulty surpassing that level because the selling force are strong at that level. So resistance are always on or above the current price. So support kanina below price, resistance naman above price. So resistance, again, nag-act siya as a roof for price action. So kailangan yung price laging nasa baba nitong resistance level na to. So whenever price reaches that level, we can expect na somehow magkakaroon tayo ng reaction, no? Kasi may mga sellers na nag-aabang dito sa level na to. So let's have an example. Dollar index daily time frame. So as you can see, after this strong rally, nakahanap ng resistance yung price dito sa level na to, 103.60. Alright, so every time na itatry ng price mag-trade above this level, nagkakaroon ng rejection. So rejection, 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 rejection. And then eventually, hindi na nakayanan ng mga bulls na mag-trade above this level. So nag-give up na and then nagkaroon tayo ng very aggressive decline. Alright, so 103.60 is a very obvious resistance level. Let's have another example, Aussie USD daily time frame. So meron tayong resistance dito sa level na to. So nagkaroon tayo ng rally to the upside, pullback, rally ulit. And then nagkaroon tayo ng rejection dito sa level na to for the first time. And then nagkaroon ng very, very aggressive decline. Right? And then the second time na balikan niya, so let's say nandito pa lang yung price. So tinatry niyang balikan tong level na to, we can expect na once na nandito na yung price, magkakaroon ng reaction. Right? Kasi nagkaroon ng reaction before. Okay? So we can expect na may mga sellers pa dito. Okay? So ang nangyari, tinest niya ulit yung level na to and then nag-decline. Okay? Another example, USD CHF 15-minute time frame. So hindi lang sa daily 4-hour time frame tayo makakakita ng support and resistance, no? So any time frame may support and resistance. All right? So USD Swiss. So from here nagkaroon tayo ng higher high, higher low, and then higher high, very impulsive move. And then nagkaroon tayo ng rejection, right? So nagkaroon tayo ng rejection dito, nag-pull back, higher low ulit. So from here, in-expect natin na magkakaroon tayo ng higher high, right? Kasi yung structure natin is in an uptrend. But ang nangyari, the second time balikan niya yung level na to, nagkaroon na tayo ng rejection. Okay? So hindi na na-penetrate itong level na to. Hindi na nakapag-trade above that level. Instead, ang nangyari, nag-hold. So tinry niyang mag-trade above for a couple of times. But then, hindi rin nag-succeed. So, ang nangyari, nagkaroon tayo ng reversal. Okay? Last example, Hang Seng 50 Index. So, for our time frame, so meron tayong decline. Nag-act as support itong level na to. Then, nag-rally. Then, tinest ulit. Nag-rally ulit. And then, nagkaroon tayo ng very aggressive decline. Impulsive move downside, followed by corrective pullback. So ito yung perfect example, no? Kapag nag-analyze tayo ng market. So as you can see, meron tayong very impulsive move downside. Lower low. So we can expect na pwedeng mag-rally to the upside, creating a lower high in a corrective manner. So corrective yung pullback niya. But ang question is, saan mag-e-end yung pullback, right? So dyan papasok yung support and resistance. So as we can see, dito sa level na to, nagkaroon tayo ng rejection. Right? So possible mag-end yung correction dito sa resistance level na to. for a continuation to the downside. Because remember, ito yung impulsive move natin, right? Ito yung corrective move. Okay? So, after corrective move, we can expect na may another impulsive move. So, ang hinintay lang natin dito sa corrective phase is kung saan magtatapos yung correction. Okay? So, magtatapos yung correction sa support and resistance. Alright? Alright, so before we end this support and resistance lesson, so onting guidelines lang. So meron tayong ibang tools na pwede pang gamitin for support and resistance beside horizontal support and resistance. So we have trend lines, Fibonacci, moving average, and channel. So ibang tools pero yung principles ganun pa rin. Alright? So support and resistance are zones, not specific points or price level. A general rule is that the higher the time frame chart used to draw support and resistance, the greater the conviction. So kung yung support and resistance natin is from weekly time frame or monthly time frame, mas may conviction yon compared to 1 hour time frame or 15-minute time frame support and resistance level. Okay? So always wait for confirmation of price reaction before jumping into a trade. And instead of mentally noting where an area of support and resistance is, use drawing tools that can be found in your charting platform. So walang hidden level sa support and resistance. So kung ano yung obvious sa inyo, pinaka-obvious, yun yung support and resistance level. Okay? So support, as much as possible, ang gusto lang natin mahanap dito is mga buying opportunities. And sa resistance naman, mga selling opportunities. Alright? If you want to learn more about trading the forex market, you can check out my Skillshare classes. So punta lang kayo sa Skillshare and you can check out my profile. So Skillshare para siyang Netflix for education. So pwede nyo i-browse kahit anong topic dito sa Skillshare. And if you want to get access for free for 1 month, pwede nyo gamitin yung link sa description below. So ano ba yung mga tinuturo ko dito sa Skillshare? Of course, uh, forex trading, no? So we have English class and Tagalog class. So for Tagalog class, we have beginner's guide to forex trading. And then after that, kung alam niyo na yung forex 101, pwede niyo i-take yung price action master class. Dito tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magbasa ng market through price action. And then Fibonacci class, if you're interested in using Fibonacci tools, pwede niyo i-take to. And then of course, hindi mawawala yung strategy class natin. So confirm divergence strategy. So dito tuturuan ko kayo ng active trading strategy. So from entry, stop loss, take profit, and trade management, lahat nandito na. And then of course, risk management. And then sa English class, so itong class na to, Forex Trading Masterclass. So kinumbine ko lang yung Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading and then Price Action Masterclass na mas medyo updated. And of course, a strategy class. So, mas updated rin na confirmed divergence strategy. So, kung gusto nyong i-check, kasi ang market nag-evolve. So, kailangan yung strategy natin nakaka-adapt dun sa market condition. Alright, so again, if you want to check out my classes, pwede nyong i-check yung Skillshare profile ko and get 1 month free access sa lahat ng to by using the link below.